Determine the coordinates of the point of intersection of the lines 2x minus y plus 3 equals to 0 and x plus 2y minus 4 equals to 0. Okay, let's begin. So here what we'll do, we're going to consider the first equation 2x minus y plus 3 equals to 0. So let's label this as equation number 1. And then we have x plus 2y minus 4 equals to 0. So that's going to be number 2. Now, what we'll do, we're going to use the rule of Saras to find out the point of intersection. That means the value of x and y. Okay, so here what we'll do, we'll start with the first equation. We'll consider the coefficient of y. So the coefficient, or we can say the second term, we'll start with the coefficient of the second term. That's why coefficient is -1, followed by the next term having the value of 3. Then we come back to the first term with coefficient 2, and then come back to and end up with the y coefficient, which is -1. So similarly, we're going to do that for the second equation as well. We're going to start with the second term, coefficient of the second term, so that's 2. Then we have -4, come back to the first term where the coefficient of x is 1, and then end up with the coefficient of y. Now what is it? Yeah, we're going to rewrite it as x, and then we have y, and then we have 1. So what we'll do, this is referred to as the rule of Saras. So we take x divided by, so we're going to cross multiply, -1 multiplied to -4, that's going to be +4, minus 2 times 3, so that's 6. This is going to be equals to y divided by, so we have 3 times 1, so that's 3, then minus -4 times -2, so that's going to make it +8. This is going to be equals to 1 divided by, so 2 times 2, that's 4, minus 1 times -1, so that's -1, so that makes it 4 plus 1. Okay, so let's further simplify. So we have x over -2 equals to y over 11, that's equals to 1 over 5. So finally, what we can do here, we can consider x over -2 to be equals to 1 over 5, or we can consider y over 11 to be equals to 1 over 5. So cross multiplying and solving for x, we get x equals to -2 over 5, and y comes out to be equals to 1 over 5. So here we can say that means the point of, thus the point of intersection of the two lines will be at -2, 5, that's the x coordinate value, and the y coordinate, that's 1 over 5. That's 11 over 5 actually, that's 11 over 5. So that is the final value.